Ever notice how everyone seems to vanish in winter? Ambition freezes. Dreams hibernate. New year, new me becomes a hollow promise. But here's the thing, winter isn't your enemy, it's your secret weapon. Stick with me, and I'll give you a blueprint so powerful that by March, even your past self won't recognize who you've become. This isn't theory, it's a transformation plan. Most people see winter as a dead season. Cold mornings, dark evenings. Social life slows. But what if I told you winter creates the perfect environment to grow, to level up while everyone else is sleeping? Less noise, fewer distractions, more focus. The world slows down, and in that silence, you can become someone entirely new. Think of the heroes in anime, the ones who disappear into the mountains, train in isolation, and return stronger, sharper, unstoppable. That could be you this winter, if you don't waste it wrapped in blankets scrolling TikTok. This isn't about surviving the cold. It's about using it to evolve. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. 1. Morning domination. Your mornings dictate your days. If you win your mornings, winter doesn't stand a chance. Right now, your life might feel chaotic. You wake up late, scroll your phone, and drift through the day wondering why you feel drained even when you did nothing. Here's the fix. Pick a consistent wake-up time. Stick to it. No excuses. Give your morning a mission statement. Gratitude, keep you grounded. Priority, keep you focused. Non-negotiable, keep you dangerous. Forget extreme routines. Start with 10 minutes of intentional action, walk, sunlight, push-ups, reading. Small steps, done consistently, are the foundation of transformation. 2. Body rebuild mode. Your body is the hardware powering everything else. If your hardware fails, your self-improvement software crashes. Move everyday weights, calisthenics, walks in the cold. Eat clean, high protein, minimal junk. And here's the magic winter trick, discomfort training. Cold showers or face plunges teach your brain that discomfort isn't dangerous. Start 15 seconds, build to 2 minutes. Each time, your nervous system learns you're capable of handling more than you think. Progress builds momentum, and momentum builds results. 3. Mental strength and focus. Your mind can coach you or kidnap you. Most people are in a hostage situation with their own thoughts. Here's how you free it. 5 to 10 minutes meditation or breathwork daily. 20 minutes reading books that challenge you. Journaling, not whining, but strategic reflection. Focus is your superpower. In a world of scrolling and endless notifications, being able to sit still, think, and act is modern-day mastery. This winter, train your mind like an athlete trains their body. 4. Skill and leverage. Winter should leave you with something tangible to show. Pick one high-impact skill, coding, AI tools, design, video editing. Dedicate 1 to 2 hours daily, no distractions. Produce, fail, adjust, repeat. By March, you'll have proof of work that you create, not just consume. This is leverage. One skill mastered can change the trajectory of your life. Focus beats quantity every time. 5. Execution and momentum. Winter isn't for planning next year, it's for building unstoppable momentum. Start small projects, side hustles, creative builds, passion projects. They don't need to be perfect. The goal is proof of movement. At the end of each month, review what worked, what failed, what's the next micro upgrade? By March, you won't just have resolutions, you'll have results, momentum, and proof of transformation. You wake up on time. Cold air hits your face. You move. You train. You eat clean. You learn. You build. You rest intentionally, not just to escape. 2 weeks in, your energy changes. 4 weeks in, people notice. 2 months in, you notice yourself. And by March, improvement isn't something you chase, it's who you are. While the world sleeps under warm blankets, you're awake, sharper, stronger, unstoppable. When people ask, what changed, just smile and say, winter. If you're serious about your own winter arc, comment let's go and then disappear. Build the version of yourself March won't recognize. This winter, the world may be asleep, but you won't just survive. You'll emerge unrecognizable. Remember, the cold isn't your enemy. Your evolution begins here.